Please turn off your cell phones and enjoy the show. Greetings movie makers, this is Cinematic Productions tutorial number 36. Today's tutorial is how to clean up SFM. Now this is for only less lag and make some room for your session. So that way SFM does not tend to crash a lot. Just like you do in Gmod with add-ons. Now the first thing you want to do is think about what session you're planning to make. For example, I want to make a Star Wars movie. But let's say you have way too many items in SFM. Go to the subscribe items. And get rid of some stuff that you don't need for the movie. If you have some important stuff like the rule of thirds or cinematic related, favorite them and keep them for your movie, just in case. Now go into the Steam workshop and find some Star Wars stuff. Once you have what you needed for your movie, you can now make some animations. And once you're done with the sessions, you can get rid of them and think of what to make next, or favorite them if you want them back. This is so that you can make more room, FPS for your SFM project, and less crashing and lag. Hopefully this tutorial help you out on how to begin with your SFM project. Sooner or later I'll be teaching you some more tips and tricks on your SFM project. Subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you next time.